K-drama fans, 2025 is packed with exciting Netflix K-dramas, thrillers, romances, historicals, and more. Let's count down the top 10 upcoming Netflix K-dramas of 2025. 10. Trauma Code, Heroes on Call. A brilliant and resilient trauma surgeon who specializes in high-risk emergency cases. His skills are unmatched, but his journey takes a turn when he is assigned to work at a university hospital where each trauma patient saved pushes the hospital deeper into financial trouble. To tackle these challenges, he builds a team of specialists, including an anesthesiologist resident, a dedicated nurse, and even a doctor from the proctology department, all recruited to assist in life-saving efforts. With an inspirational focus on teamwork, perseverance, and medical heroics, Trauma Code promises to be an emotional roller coaster, balancing intense medical scenes with deep character-driven storytelling. 9. Ima. Set in the glitzy yet turbulent 1980s, Ima is a period drama that takes us behind the curtains of South Korea's golden age of cinema. The story revolves around two women, Hoon Ran and Ju A, who are caught in the whirlwind of the entertainment industry while working on the production of the film Madam Ima. Unlike the glamorous facade of celebrity life, the drama provides an in-depth exploration of the struggles, ambitions, and rivalries faced by actresses during this time. A female lead is a hot-tempered yet passionate actress, while a male lead is a determined producer navigating the chaotic world of film production. 8. All the Love You Wish For. What happens when a mystical genie meets a woman who doesn't believe in love? That's the premise of All the Love You Wish For, a fantasy rom-com starring Kim Woo Bin and Bae Suzy. Also known as It Will Come True, this 12-episode drama follows a charismatic and expressive genie who has the power to grant 3 wishes to the person who summons him. However, his latest summoner, a pragmatic and emotionally distant woman, is skeptical and reluctant to believe in magic. As their hilarious yet heartwarming relationship unfolds, viewer will be treated to comedic misunderstandings, magical surprises, and an unexpected romance between a supernatural being and a human. With beautiful cinematography and whimsical storytelling, this drama is set to be a delightful watch. 7. Can This Love Be Translated? From the legendary Hong sisters, known for hits like The Master's Son and Crash Landing on You, comes Can This Love Be Translated, a fresh and exciting romantic comedy. The story revolves around a famous actress played by Koo Hyun Jun and a multilingual interpreter played by Kim Seon Ho, who was hired as her personal translator. Fluent in Japanese, Italian, and English, he is highly skilled at languages, but understanding the language of love might be his biggest challenge yet. Their clashing personalities lead to frequent misunderstandings, but as they spend more time together, a deep connection begins to form. With its witty dialogue, sizzling chemistry, and emotional depth, this drama is set to be one of the best romantic K-dramas of 2025. 6. Two Women. This slice-of-life drama explores the complex bond between two women, played by Kim Go-yoon and Park Ji-hyen. They were once inseparable childhood friends, but life took them in very different directions. One grew up in privilege and wealth, while the other faced financial struggles and hardships, leading to jealousy and rivalry. Despite their differences, their bond remained strong until time and circumstances pulled them apart. Spanning their lives from their teens to their 40s, Two Women is a deeply emotional journey about friendship, ambition, and second chances. When they unexpectedly reunite in adulthood, they are forced to confront their past conflicts and unresolved emotions. 5. Karma. A dark and suspenseful thriller, Karma stars Park Hee-soo, Shin Min-ae, and Lee Hee-jun in a twisted tale of greed, betrayal, and revenge. Based on the webtoon Akyan, the drama follows a mysterious unemployed man and a brilliant female surgeon, whose fates become dangerously intertwined. As past traumas resurface, their connections lead to deadly consequences. With its psychological intensity and gripping storytelling, Karma promises to be one of the most thrilling K-dramas of 2025. 4. Hong Rong. This historical drama is set in the late Joseon dynasty and follows a wealthy art trader's son who mysteriously disappears only to return years later with no memory. His half-sister, who suffered under their abusive stepmother, has been struggling in his absence. Now that he's back, family secrets and hidden identities will begin to unravel. With romance, mystery, and stunning period visuals, Hong Rong stars Lee Jae-wook and Jo Bo are in a gripping tale of love and betrayal. 3. Squid Game Season 3. One of the most anticipated dramas of 2025, Squid Game Season 3 will mark the epic conclusion of Netflix's record-breaking survival thriller. Following the shocking twists of Season 2, this final season will dive deeper into the mysteries surrounding the deadly competition, the secretive organization behind it, and the true purpose of the games. Returning to the screen are Lee Young-jae as Seong Gi-hun, Lee Byung-hun as the enigmatic frontman, and Wai Ha-joon as Hwang Joon-ho, whose fate was left uncertain in previous seasons. With a new wave of contestants, alliances will be tested, betrayals will unfold, and the battle for survival will reach its most intense and dangerous stage yet. Regardless, this finale promises jaw-dropping twists, emotional depth, and a thrilling conclusion that will keep audiences on the edge of their seats. 2. The Price of Confession. Mystery, suspense, and psychological drama. The Price of Confession promises to be one of 2025's most gripping thrillers. Starring Jun Do-yoon, Kim Go-yoon, and Park Hee-soo, this drama revolves around a brutal murder case that turns the lives of two women upside down. Kim Go-yoon plays an art teacher who dreams of a quiet, happy life, but everything shatters when she becomes entangled in a grisly murder investigation. Jun Do-yoon portrays a mysterious woman with an antisocial personality, feared by many, yet somehow drawn into the case. As the two women cross paths, they form an unexpected bond, but with deadly secrets lurking in the shadows, trust becomes a dangerous game. The Price of Confession will keep viewer hooked until the very last moment. 1. Weak Hero Class 2. The highly anticipated sequel to one of the most intense and emotionally charged action dramas, Weak Hero Class 2 is set to return with Park Ji-hoon reprising his role as Yoon Si-yoon, the intelligent yet formidable student who fought back against bullies using strategy, skill, and sheer determination. At the end of Season 1, we saw Yoon Si-yoon transfer to a new school, leaving behind the friends who stood by him. Will he be able to survive and stand his ground once again, or will the odds finally overwhelm him? With Yoo Yoon and Choi Min-young joining the cast, Weak Hero Class 2 is expected to deliver even more brutal fight sequences, deeper emotional conflicts, and a gripping continuation of its powerful coming-of-age story. If Season 1 was about standing up against injustice, Season 2 will push Si-yoon to his absolute limits. This Netflix original is shaping up to be one of the must-watch K-dramas of 2025. That's our list. Which drama are you most excited for? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more K-drama updates.